Load your family into the 2018 Lincoln MKC. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Lincoln prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, a power liftgate, a roof rack, and cruise control. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.